Hi, Paul here from OEM Audio, showing you our latest unit, the BTN 620. Now you'll see here, this is a full Nissan size unit. Nissan changed their size to 200mm by 100mm, which is the same as Toyota, but the edges are a bit different. These units are designed and sold to Nissan in various countries overseas. We've luckily managed to secure distributorship for them here in New Zealand and Australia. Really cool little unit, obviously nice high resolution display, 1024 pixels display. Cool things about them are things like this in the radio. The radio lists what station you listen to, any data that's being broadcast. For example, we'll go to ZM, it'll pick up ZM, and in a few seconds it will, if there's any song data being played, it'll display that on track as well. Now, if you're going out of town in your car and you're listening and you want to find a station, you know what station is out of town, instead of searching for it, you can actually just key the number in. So if you want to go to 93.7, for example, 93.7, hit OK, bang, and you're there on that station. So it's just a little thing, but it's a very cool little feature that adds to it. Now, one of the things, of course, apart from a good radio, is people want a reverse camera, and you'll notice that in this unit fit in the BTN 620, put in reverse, and the camera is near instant, and it has reverse lines in this case. Go back into park. We'll go back into the main menu. You can see you've got Bluetooth. You can might go back there in a second. We've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on these devices. In this case, we've attached my phone to it. We've got Apple CarPlay. So you've got the full streaming gamut of devices you can use. You can use full Siri. For example, you can say, "Hey Siri, call Kyle Wilkinson."
Calling Kyle Wilkinson mobile.
Now, a clever little thing this will do is you can have different applications at different volumes.
Hello.
Hey mate, Paul here. I'm just doing a Bluetooth check.
Oh, yeah, sounds brilliant.
Okay, all right. Thanks, man.
No problem, thank you.
See you. And you'll notice that when I had the volume on about 18 there, when I go back to the radio or the Apple CarPlay, it's gone to the previous preset volume, which is a little thing, but it's actually a very cool thing. You've got access to all your normal things. You've got access to your maps through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And if you've got an Android phone, of course, you'd just be using Android Auto, which is a similar product. Every fan's got their own opinion. So that's pretty cool. Now, to disconnect, just unplug. And if you go into Bluetooth, here you've got the ability to set up and pair phones to it, of course. In this case, I will show you how easy it is to do on this. Where Paul's yet another, it will pair to my phone. Comes up on my phone, pair, connecting, and we're in, which is pretty cool. You've obviously got a keypad access. If you want to do that, you can dial a number. You've got access to your phone book if you've proceeded to download it, and music. You can download any music you play. So I'll simply, no, I'm obviously not driving. We'll pick a song, and it will play the track information as well. And you can fast forward and skip track either using your voice control, which can be accessed via there, or you can just say, "Hey Siri, skip track," and it will still do that. So that's all pretty cool. We can find out that a song that my son's downloaded. So that's all a pretty cool feature. In the background for the menu, you can do little things like turn the beat off and on, reverse times, whether you're military minded or you want civilian 12-hour time, set up external microphones and set up your date and time. Display settings, pretty easily. Audio, pretty cool there, and they have a nice little graphic equalizer for you to play with and get the music ready at your heart's content. So these awesome little units are called our Nissan BTN 620. They come with all Nissan plugs. They're available from us at oemaudio.co.nz, or you can come and see us at 18 Coleridge Street in Sydenham, or give us a call on 0508 636 283.